Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Menelik. I'm the Imbalance Trader. In this video, we're talking about the winning mindset of a successful trader. I started trading back in 2019 as part of IML Academy, which was a group that offers signal. You recruit people, makes you recruit more people to multi-level marketing, and they offer forex trading. That's how I came in contact with the market. And at the beginning, it was more of I'm gonna make money quick. This is a new opportunity. A lot of people don't know about this thing. Little did I know that making money while trading is the hardest way to make easy money. And over time I realized that this is not just like a game that you play on your phone and you make money, but this is a career. This is a path that requires a lot of things. It requires a lot of changes, personal changes in my life. It requires changing my mindset, changing my discipline, changing my structure in order to become a professional trader. It requires a lot of things. So today in this video, I wanted to go through the winning mindset of a successful trader. What is required in terms of mindset to become a successful trader? There are two main components, or three, that makes a successful trader. Number one is discipline. Number two is patience. In discipline, I got 7 factors that will change your trading career if you put all of these things into action, as I've put into action myself, and it has changed my way of trading, my way of learning, and my ways of execution, and hopefully it does the same to you as well. Over the past 5 years of trading, I've grown and become a better trader, and if I've known those things a long time ago, it would have saved me some time. First of all, the first thing when it comes to discipline is creating a habit. A successful trader has a routine, a day-to-day routine that they execute, a routine for their week, for their month, for their years, etc. Because once you start trading consistently, you start trading with analytics of your returns and how much percentage you are trying to make in a year, etc. You realize that it's a long years of trading. In order to get to your end goal for the year, you have to win your day, then you have to win your week, then you have to win your month. The routine can be a daily morning routine where you wake up, you go to the gym, you sweat a little bit, you take a cold shower before you engage with the market, and then before you even sit at your desk and start trading for a couple of hours. A routine can be throughout the week, you have a getaway place that you go to that take you away from the market, so that you're not only thinking about trading and your losses or your wins, but you think about other stuff in life as well and other activities. Number 2 is to set a clear goal. Clear and concise goal. This is something that I didn't have at the beginning. As I'm growing, I realized that the best result that I've had during my trading career are result when I had clear, achievable goals. I have incremental goals that I was trying, and targets that I was trying to get to, and by not trying to make a home run, I found myself getting to that point very easily, compared to me not having a clear and set goal in terms of like percentage, and all this kind of stuff. And I aim for the home run. Having incremental goals, even when it comes to challenge, funding challenge, etc., will tremendously help you elevate your trading, because you are not risking too much because your goal is achievable. You risk a little to achieve a certain goal, and that keeps you on track, so you are not making impulsive decisions. Number 3 is to create a trading plan. When I started trading in the the first couple of years of trading, I'll wake up in the middle of night, London session. I'll wake up at 2 or 3 in the morning. I work a little bit. I save like $500, put in my trading account. I didn't even know what I was doing. I was looking at support, resistance, and then just jump into a trade. Over leverage. By the time I wake up in the morning, this account is gone. So the idea with trading plan is to have a guidepost, a trading plan to help you determine how much you're risking in a day, how much percentage of your account you are risking, how many trades are you taking in a day, when are the days that you are trading and when are the days that you are not trading, what session are you trading. Those are trading plan, and having a trading plan, it helps you navigate the crazy market that we're going through. Sometimes the market can get into consolidation. Sometimes the market is heavily manipulated and you don't know what to do. Having a trading plan will really save your account and will really help you get to the profits that you want. It also reminds you that trading is not a one-day thing. It takes time. It's a plan that you follow for a year. It's kind of like your job, it's your career. So how can you be focused to make money in this market? Number 4 is removing distraction. Distraction is something that is common in trading. One of the distractions that I personally encountered while doing the trading challenges was the fact of trading on 2 different platforms. I usually use TradingView for my analysis, my backtesting, and all of my speculation of the market. When I'm doing challenges with my Forex fund, FTM1, and all that kind of stuff, I have to use MT4 and I use market, so it distracts me whenever I'm taking trade, because I'm charting, doing everything on TradingView to just take the trade on MT4, and it's a form of distraction. Another form of distraction can be, scrolling through social media while you have a trade going on and all this kind of stuff, and that makes you, it destabilizes you. Sometimes things happen in the market, and then going back and forth kind of like make you jump. It's like, man, I don't know what I'm doing. Your environment, reducing noise, having a little bit of office, a trading desk, that really helps setting yourself for success, because your environment is key into your success as well. Practice time management. Time management requires you to have a certain slot of time which is only dedicated to trading, and then everything else will wait. It's like when you go to work, right? There's a time where you are not taking phone call, you are on do not disturb. So over time, as I'm growing as a trader, I know that there are a lot of things going into it. When I'm shorting, right? When I'm in a trade, what are other market doing? Especially when you're trading futures, you need to keep an eye on what DXY is doing, or what Nasdaq is doing, or what US30 is doing, what has a correlation. So you go back between charts, and news and all that kind of stuff. Set a time for you to trade. Have a session. You don't have to be in the market all day long. Have a specific session, trading window between 2 to 3 hours that you can sit and do your trading. Time management is key, and it's discipline, right? Because at the beginning, we learn trading the wrong way. We learn that, you pull up your phone, you enter a trade, you make money. But there are a lot of little things that comes into it, because trading is touching your emotion, and if you are not in control, if you are not still, if you are not stoic in the moment, there are chances that you are going to go through a lot of instability while trading, because trading requires stability in your real life to be able to solely focus on your trading plan, on the return that you're making in the market, and navigating the ups and downs of the market. Practicing self-care. Trading is draining. I'm not gonna lie, it sounds easy. People tell you that they make all of this money doing trading, which is true. It's not false at all, but it is draining on the body and on the mind. Your mental state is gonna get fucked up. So you need to have time to practice self-care, to take care of yourself, to take care of your body, to rest, to sleep, to train, to exercise, so that your body let go of all of the anxiety and all of the pressures that you feel on a day-to-day basis. If you are getting anxious about a trade, losing money, all this kind of stuff, because when you lose money, it's not fun, and that pain, it messes up your day, it messes up your emotion. So being able to take care of yourself, being able to have a getaway that takes you away from trading really helps. Patience is really requires, because if you know that you're a trader, there are times that things are not gonna work, and you need to be patient. There are times that you lose trade and you want to get back right away, make your money back. You need to practice patience. Reducing overtrading and reducing over leveraging. So there are 2 things that in my trading career has been one of the biggest issues that I have. Because with overtrading, the more you expose yourself to the market, the more likely it is that you're going to lose. And with over leveraging, the more you over leverage, the more likely it is that you're going to blow your account. Those 2 things comes together. Usually you take one trade, you lose. The next trade, instead of cutting down your risk, you double your risk, you take more losses. Now you want to take more trades just to get back to break even, and you keep taking more trades and over leveraging more. And those are the 2 recipes for disaster when it comes to trading, forex trading, future trading, any type of trading. It's allowing time for market analysis. The market usually goes back and forth. It presents stuff, it's easy to see things in hindsight and be like, oh, I should have waited and stuff like that. But sometimes you just need to give time to the market. Let the market present itself. Don't chase price. And then lastly, when it comes to patience, is mitigating emotional stress. With patience, it helps you take time away from the market. It reduces emotion. Patience helps you avoid choppy market, so that your emotion is going up and down, and you start over leveraging and over trading. It gives time to analyze and take better trade, so it mitigates your emotional stress. I was reading my Forex Fund magazine a couple days ago, and they had this chart. It's like a cycle of emotions that traders go through while trading. So the emotion goes from optimism to hope, all the way to fear, to devastation, and then to just get back to optimism and hope again. This is kind of like a cycle of addiction, right? And I think if you were to compare the brain of a trader and the brain of a drug addict, it will probably be the same thing, because this is just an addictive cycle, right? You got the craving, which is the optimism, like I'm gonna make money, I'm gonna, you start going your way, you feel like I'm making money today, and then it turns against you. You're like, fuck, this thing is going against me, and then you lose money at the end of the day. It sucks. You come back to tomorrow, do it again, maybe you'll make money, and that incentivizes you to come for more. So it helps mitigate all of this cycle. You don't want many of this cycle within a week. So if you trade a couple days a week, that's fantastic, because you are feeling detached from the market, and you have a trading plan, and it doesn't affect your mental too much. You know that loss is part of the game. You take your losses, and win is part of the game. You take your wins, and then you protect those wins to be a better trader. Lastly, for the closing, the last thing that is part of the mindset of a successful trader is growth mindset. Growth mindset is the idea that through practice, dedication, time, you can acquire any skill. And then trading is a skill set. If you are able to acquire that skill through practice, persistence, and resiliency, you can grow as a better trader. So two key recipe for a better trader as well is being persistent and resilient, and having a growth mindset. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope it is valuable. Those are lessons that I've learned throughout my 5 years of trading and on my way to profitability and consistency. If you enjoy, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Until next time, my friend, peace.